Sir, ma'am, people like Vasudev, Balwant Phadke,
No, which types
we,
of people? That is, wait a second. My question is, which types of peoples were judged? Literate, illiterate, kings, and even common men took the part in this revolution. Your answer is literate, illiterate, kings, and common people. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the initiative of starting this revolution was taken by Vasudev
Vasudev
Balwant Phadke.
Balwant Phadke.
Yes, from Maharashtra. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the meaning of Swaraj. Who knows the meaning of Swaraj? Give me fast answer, beta. Do you know on
Yes,
what
ma'am.
meaning of Swaraj? Anyone knows?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay,
No,
Swaraj
ma'am.
means complete independence. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, why this all started revolutionary activities for the freedom of India? We want to become free from India. So,
Yes.
first was the Vasudev Balwant Phadke, who was the pioneer to start revolution in India. He was the pioneer means father of to start the revolution in India. Where was he working? Vasudev Balwant Phadke. He was working in
Yes.
he was
British
working in
government.
Pune.
no he was working in
Pune.
Pune. Okay.
Pu-
And he took a vow that he will not apply tilak and he will not cut his hair till we become free from the British government. Which vow was taken by Vasudev Balwant Phadke? That he will not apply tilak and he will not cut his hair till we become free from the British government. Okay?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Boys, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
vow was taken by Which vow was taken by Vasudev Balwant Phadke? Tell me fast.
He took a vow of not applying tilak on forehead and not to get his hair till he did not free India from the clutches of the Britishers.
Okay. So, for that, British government has announced a prize to arrest Vasudev. So, how much prize was given?
4,000.
If 4,000, yes.
4,000.
And later on, he took of he took training of attacking British camp and to rob the government. Okay, and to use guns. Okay, later on, what he has done? He has took a
Yes,
training of robbing the government treasury and to use guns. Okay,
yes,
and for that he
Yes, ma'am.
was arrested. Okay, this much understood.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
where
Yes, ma'am.
okay, now next is Veer Savarkar. Next is Veer Savarkar. What is the full name of Veer Savarkar?
Vinayak Damodar Savarkar.
Okay, who has answered me? Tell your name,
Veer
beta.
Sav-
Damodar Bal.
Vinayak
Okay, good.
Damodar Savarkar.
Where was he born?
28th May 1883 in Bhagur village of
Okay,
Nashik district in
only one has
Maharashtra.
to given me. Only one have to give me answer.
Nurani Moinuddin.
Only one has to give me answer. Where was Veer Savarkar born?
28 in 1883.
28th May
In Nashik district in
1883 in
Maharashtra.
Bhagur village of Nashik
Not
district in Maharashtra.
1893. 1883. In which village?
Bhagur village of Nashik district in Maharashtra.
Okay. So Nasik is situated in which state? That is Maharashtra. Okay.
Maharashtra.
In Bhagur village of Nasik district in Maharashtra.
Okay. Which institution was
1883.
opened by? Yes. Which
Bhagur village.
institution? Arey beta, listen my question. Which institute was opened by Veer
Bhagur.
Savarkar?
Mitra Mela.
Mitra Mela. Okay. Later it was known as.
Abhinav Bharat.
No,
Maharashtra.
Bharat.
Let.
Yes,
Arey beta,
ma'am.
institute institute name. Later it was known as Mitra Mela was later known as.
Abhinav
Abhinav
Bharat.
Bharat.
Yes.
Mitra Mela.
Okay. And main objective of opening this institute?
To
What is
free
the
No
main
India
national
objective?
from the
study.
British.
British rule with the help of weapons and through revolt.
Only once.
No, ma'am, I am also saying the answer.
Abhinav Bharat.
Heart. अरे बेटा main objective. I am asking the main objective of opening Abhinav Bharat. What is the main objective?
To free, to free India.
To
To
free India
free
from the
India
British
with the
rule.
help of weapons and through revolt.
Okay. So after that, where he acquired the scholarship.
From the institution of Shivaji Krishna Verma
Okay,
and
and
went to London.
for
In
yes,
London.
for what he went to London.
For
Of
further
Shivaji
studies.
Krishna Verma.
अरे बेटा listen my question. I am asking for what he went to London after acquiring the scholarship. Where he went and for what he went.
He went to London for further studies.
Okay, and which book was written by Veer Savarkar?
India's first freedom in 1857.
Okay, only one has to give me answer. Only one have to give me answer. Yes or no?
Ma'am, I am also saying the answer.
Okay, you too.
No, ma'am, three.
Others, what they are doing?
Ma'am, I'm
Okay.
also giving answer.
So this book was published or banned? India's first freedom
Banned.
struggle. This book was published or banned? Banned. Yes. Okay.
Banned.
Who banned it?
British.
Who banned?
British.
Britishers. Yes. Okay. Okay. And which punishment was given to Veer Savarkar? Which punishment was given to Veer Savarkar?
Jail.
Ch-
Arey, that I know, but punishment. Kalp?
Kalapami punishment.
Yes, good. And in which jail?
In Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Jail in Andaman.
Okay. And when was
Andaman.
Veer Savarkar died?
26
February
February
26 February on
1966.
1966.
Very good. So first topic, that is Vasudeva Balwanfarke. You are clear about that? In that,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you have to remember? He was the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
pioneer to start revolution in India. He was working in Pune. He took a vow that not to apply
Yes.
tilak on forehead and not to cut his hair till India become free.
Not to cut.
Later on, British government had announced a price that is of 4,000 to arrest Vasudev Balwan Phadke. Okay. Then he took
Yes.
training regarding attacks on British camp and to
To
rob
arrest
the
Vasudev
government treasury and to use
Balwante.
guns. Okay, this much clear about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then that is Veer Savarkar.
Guns.
Which points you have to remember? When was he
Yes,
born?
ma'am.
He was born on
28 May
May
1883 in
1883.
Bhagur village of Nasik district in Maharashtra.
Yes, he established institution name that is
Vinayak.
Mitra Mela
Mitra Mela.
and later it was known as Abhinav.
Hero
Bharat.
Bharat.
in
And main
Maharashtra.
To free
objective
India
to
from
free
the
India.
British rule with the help of weapon and through revolt.
Then later he got a scholarship from the institute
Vikramapada,
that of Shivaji Krishna
Mela,
Verma,
which was
and he
later
went to
known as
London for
Abhinav
further
Bharat.
હેલો
studies.
હેલો
Studies.
સોરી મેમ
Huh?
બેટા કોનું માઇક છે ને એ વારે ઘડીએ તમે લોકો અનમ્યુટ કરી નાખો છો પ્લીઝ બેકગ્રાઉન્ડનો અવાજ બહુ આવે છે બેટા પ્લીઝ અને મેમ જેને કે અથવા તો વન બાય વન તમે આન્સર આપો એકસાથે બધા આન્સર ન આપો બેટા કાંઈ સમજાતું નથી અને જ્યારે બોલવાનું નથી ત્યારે માઇક છે ને એ મ્યુટ કરી નાખો
Okay,
મુસ્કાન
ma'am.
કરીને કોનું છે એનું માઇક છે
Shivaji Krishna Verma
હા બેટા હવે તારું માઇક છે ને
and
સાંભળ
went to
તું બોલી
London for
હલો હલો જે બોલતું ના હોય એ બધાના પ્લીઝ માઇક તમારા મ્યુટ કરી નાખો બેટા જ્યારે બોલવાનું હોય ત્યારે જ અનમ્યુટ કરો ને બોલીને પાછું મ્યુટ કરી નાખો બેકગ્રાઉન્ડમાંથી બહુ ખરાબ અવાજ આવે છે બેટા
yes ma'am.
છે ને તમારો વોઇસ છે ને એ એના પડઘા પડે છે બેટા એટલા માટે ઓકે અને વન બાય વન આન્સર આપજો થેન્ક યુ
Okay.
Okay, and later the book was written by Veer Savarkar. That is 1857, India's
India's
first
first
freedom
freedom.
struggle. Yes. Then he got a punishment. That punishment name is Kalp.
Kalabami punishment.
Yes, in which jail? Andaman jail. Okay,
Andaman.
and he died on 26th February 1966.
6.
6.
Okay, these two short notes. You are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next is Khudiram Bose. Okay, where was Khudiram Bose born?
3rd December 1889 in Mahod village.
Beta, only
of-
one have to give me answer.
Ma'am, I am checking the answer.
Wait, tell your name first.
Malkane Mohammad Mustafa.
Okay, start. Answer. When was Khudiram Bose born?
Wait. 3rd December 1889 in Mahod village of Modal district. Ma'am,
When was Khudiram Bose born? Tell me answer.
3rd December 1889 in Mahod village of Modapur district in Bengal.
Mohab village. Okay. So Khudiram Bose was born on 3rd December 1889 in Mohab village of Medipur district and state is Bengal. Okay. From childhood only he lost
Yes.
his parents. So he was under the care of teacher named that is Satyan Babu. He was under the care of a teacher that is Satyan Babu,
Babu.
and got less. Who is repeating after me?
Mainuddin.
Better don't repeat. When I will ask the question, you tell me the answer. Okay? Just now I am telling you. You listen me. Okay? So then he was participated in non-cooperation movement. Tell me the meaning of non-cooperation movement. Who will tell? Anyone know the meaning of non-cooperation movement?
Making clothes.
No, not to cooperate with Britishers. The main aim was of starting non-cooperation movement was not to cooperate with Britishers. Okay,
Yes.
so Khudiram Bose was participated in which movement? That is non-cooperation movement, and then he used to dive in the river Ganga. Britishers had stopped to collect the salt. They were not allowing Indians to collect the salt. So Khudiram Bose was diving in the river Ganga and going in the ship and collecting the salt. So for this, he broke the law. So British arrested him. Okay. Then later on 30th April in 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chakki threw a bomb on the horse cart. Whose horse cart he threw a bomb? That is Church King's Ford. Who Whose horse cart he threw a bomb? Judge Kingsford. And
Judge
then he
King.
was, yes, and then he was killed. Okay? This much clear about Khudiram Bose. Which point you have to remember?
Yes, ma'am.
In which year he was born? In which village? In which district? And in which state?
3rd
And
December 1889 in Mohab village of Medhulpur district,
Mednipur.
Mednipur district in Bengal.
Okay. And after he lost his parents under his uh, he was in sorry after he lost his parents he was in the care of which teacher
Teacher
Satyam
named
Babu.
Satyam Babu.
and what he was teaching to him.
Lessons on revolution.
In liberation.
Okay, okay. Then which movement he was participated.
Non-cooperation
Non-cooperation
movement.
movement.
Okay, when he threw the bomb on the horse cart of Judge Kingsford
On
on
30 April 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chaki threw a bomb on the horse cart
Judge
of
beta only I
Kingsford.
Judge.
have asked the date. Which day he threw a bomb
13 April 30 April 1908.
and with whom? With whom he have threw a bomb?
Judge
Praful
Kingsford.
Chaki.
No, Praful Chakki. Khudiram Bose and Praful Chakki both have threw the bomb. I have asked with whom. Okay, in whose horse cart he has threw a bomb?
Judge
Judge King of.
Kingsford.
Okay, so clear about Khudiram Bose.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is Ram Prasad Bismil. Where was he born? He was born in Shahjahanpur state.
Shahjahanpur,
Beta,
Uttar Pradesh.
I speak or you will speak. Ram Prasad Bismil was where he was born. He was born in Shahjahanpur state.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
1997 part in non.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Next, now it is clear, beta.
No, ma'am.
Wait a second. Now it is coming clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it's clear, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Ram Prasad Bismil was born in Shahjahanpur state, Uttar Pradesh, and year 1897. He also took part in non-cooperation movement. His main role was to rob the things and attack the Kakoritan. What is the meaning of robbing?
Story करवी.
Yes, and attacking. What's the meaning of hitting, attacking?
To attack the Britishers.
Yes, to hit the Britishers. Okay. Then he wrote. He has published the writings about motivating the national spirit and awareness. Okay. Ram Prasad Bismil has published the writing about motivating force of national spirit and awareness. So in this you have to remember which district, state, and which year he was born, in which movement he has participated. Main you have to remember that is which role he played. Okay, understood this much, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will ask the questions. Tell me answer. Which movement Ram Prasad Bismil was participated?
Non
Which movement? Yes,
non-cooperative movement.
non-cooperation movement. Okay. What? Which which role he was playing in Kakori train?
Robbing and attacking the Britishers.
Okay. In which state Ram Prasad Bismil was born?
Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. In which district?
Shahjahanpur.
In which year?
1897 AD.
Okay. So now next is Ashfaq Ullah Khan. Next is Ashfaq Ullah Khan. Okay. He was he was the example of Hindu Muslim unity. Hindu Muslim unity was made. He was the member of Hindu Muslim unity. His childhood friend was Ram Prasad Bismil. He was fond of sports, so he was loving the sports, so he was doing sports activities, and he was expert in horse riding and shooting. Then he attended the temple, that is Arya Samaj temple in Shah Jahanpur, and he was also involved in the plan of robbing the Kakori train. Therefore he was hung in prison. This much understood? In this only you have to
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
2 points. In which unity he was joined, his childhood friend name, he was expert in, and where he attacked. Okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
tell me in which place he attacked, which temple he attacked.
Arya Samaj Temple.
Okay, who attacked it?
Ashfaqullah Khan.
Okay. And what in which activity he was expert?
Horse riding and shooting.
Okay. And where is Arya Samaj temple? Where was it situated?
In Shahjahanpur.
Main
Ma'am, your voice is
okay.
cutting.
Real is
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Again it is cutting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you are getting clear voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now most important short note, that is Chandrasekhar Azad. His real name is Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. Where he was born? He was born on 23rd July in Paura village of Jhabua district in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next, he completed his preliminary education in Kashi. Then he was also participated in non-cooperation movement. For that he was arrested. So he hello
Yes, ma'am.
hello you can hear now.
Yes, ma'am.
After he was arrested, he was taken in court. He was asked his name, and he told his name, that is Azad. Then he was asked for his father's name. He told that Freedom, and residence told Prison. And later on, he became famous as Azad. He was also participated in robbery of the Kakori train, and in that 40 revolutionaries were caught, and he took a vow that I will never be caught alive by the British government. He also took a vow that he will not be alive by the British government. Then on 27 February 1931, Azad was in Allahabad, Alfred Pass, where he was surrendered by British government. So he shot himself by pistol. Okay, and he was dead. This much understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me the real name of Chandrasekhar Azad.
Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari.
Okay, in court, what he has answered, which name he has answered,
His name Azad.
his father's name,
Freedom.
and his residence.
Prison.
Okay. In which activity he was participated?
In robbery of the Kakori train.
Okay. Which vow was taken by Chandrasekhar Azad? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Which vow was taken by Chandrasekhar Azad?
That Chandrasekhar Azad said to the British government that you can't catch me
Alive.
live.
Alive by British.
Uh,
I will never be caught alive by the British
British government.
government. Okay. And from where British police surrendered Chandrasekhar Azad? From which place
Alfred
he
Park
surrendered?
of Allahabad
Okay. On which day?
on 27 February.
1931. Okay. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, now
lecture is
next.
over.
No, it's who told lecture is over.
Remember the
Okay, 5 minutes are left. Now next. In Banga village,
ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Punjab Layalpur, and village name is.
Ma'am, your
Hello.
voice is cutting.
Again it is cutting, beta. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is cutting, beta.
Ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So Bhagat Singh was born in which village? Banga village, district Layalpur, and state Punjab on 25th September. Okay. He was also participated in non-cooperation movement in Lahore, where he was studying. He came in touch with Sukhdev, Bhagwat Charan, and Yashpal. Then Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly on which day? 8th April 1928. Why he threw the bomb? His main objective was to awaken the deaf British government. Okay? And they speak a slogan. They shouted a slogan. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद साम्राज्यवाद का नाश हो दुनिया का मजदूर एक हो and then they have spread the message of revolutionary activities. Okay, and after that they took a revenge. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru, three of them have took the revenge for the murder of Lala Lajpat Rai. For that they were hung on 23rd March. Understood this much?
Ma'am, hung means arrest.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, which slogan was shouted after throwing a
इनकलाब
bomb?
जिंदाबाद साम्राज्यवाद का नाश हो दुनिया का मजदूर एक हो.
Okay. Who took a revenge for the murder of Lala Lajpat Rai?
Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru.
Okay. And when was Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru hung?
On 23rd March.
Okay. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is Shyamji Krishna Verma and Madam Kama. Okay. The starting initiator means more starting of revolutionary activities was done by Shyamji Krishna Verma. He was born on 4th October 1857 in Mandvi village of Kutch. Where is Kutch situated? In which state it is situated?
Gujarat.
Okay, good. Then he was graduated in Cambridge University. His main objective was to attain Swaraj. What is the meaning of Swaraj? What is the meaning of Swaraj?
I don't know, ma'am.
Just now only I will explain beta. Swaraj means independence. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then he established Indian Home Rule Society in London, and later on it was given Indian name was given, that is Indian House magazine. They have started a magazine that was named Indian Sociologist. Then with Shyamji Krishna Verma, their companions, their companions were Vinayak Savarkar. Short name of Vinayak Savarkar. Short name of Vinayak Savarkar, beta. Hello.
V. Savarkar.
Okay. So with Shyamji Krishna Verma, Veer Savarkar, Hardayal, Mandalnal Dhingra, Sardar Singh Rana, and Madam Kama. These all were running the revolutionary activities. Then after that, they have arranged the scholarship for Indians, and then in 1909 in London, Madanlal Dhingra was shot and he was hung to death for.
Ma'am, your voice is cut.
And after his death, Krishna that
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.